What's up, fellow YouTubers? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again. Now in today's video, it's going to be very special because I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit just like me. So I will be using a lower application on the iPhone, which should have many of the same features I do on Sony Vegas, which is on PC. But at the same time, expect quality, but don't expect a masterpiece, okay? You make the way you make it, and adding a little spice to it can also change it up as well. So I'll be showing you some key features, some things you need to know before you do this, and as well as the effort you need to put in to make this look great. So before we get started, I do have some announcements. So I have been doing these shoutouts for a long time. I do them after my intro. You guys usually see like faithful actives or something like that. I have a faithful active for YouTube and Twitter. I always choose different ones. I try to choose different ones, but if I don't see anyone being active on those social medias, then I don't choose different ones. I keep them the same. But other than that, guys, if you guys do want to win a shout out on my channel, TechnoTrend, then all you have to do is be active on my Twitter or YouTube, either one of those. And if I do notice that you are active, I will put you up on there. And that's basically it, guys. Thank you for listening to these announcements. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. Let's get started. Alright guys, so switching over to iPhone cam, as you guys can see, the iPhone is towards your right. So as you guys can see, the iPhone will be visible. What you guys want to do is get QCut Pro first. I'm not sure on the $6 on the App Store, but you can get it free on Tweakbox. I have made a tutorial about it past, but if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, click the link which is above you. You guys can see the little icon, the little eye, it appears. Click that and it'll take you to install QCut Pro. So once you guys have QCut Pro, we're going right into it. Step number 1, head into Safari. Once you're inside Safari, what you guys want to look up is color gradient. Alright, once that's looked up, you're going to go ahead and click images once it loads. Click images. Then you're going to click a nice one, just any simple one. Most likely one that's 1280 by 720, most likely around there, or 1920 by 1080. You guys want this HD. So let's pick something like that. So we're going to go ahead and hold it down, save image. So that will be saved in your camera roll. So what you guys want to do is go ahead and go into your QCut Pro application. Click plus. For this one, we're going to head and call it, just put new movie on it, create, then click done. Then what you guys want to do is click add photo, then click recently added. Don't look at my pictures. Alright, then what you guys want to do is tap it, double tap it, and make sure the color gradient fits the screen. So as right now, it's not fitting the screen, so what we have to do is stretch it out. So let's stretch it out. Make sure that there's no black over there, just to make sure. Click OK. Let's see if we have it. We sort of do, but we sort of don't. Let's move it. Alright, we should be good. Let's keep it like that. Now what you guys want to do is stretch it out. So double tap the image right there. Click that little circle, then drag it over till you have around, let's say, 20 seconds. Around there, it doesn't have to be exact. Once you do that, click OK. Click play. And you guys will be able to see that it'll start over, and that's basically going to be your background. So pick a color gradient which correlates with your channel color, stuff like that. Make it all a nice similar color. So what you guys want to do is click that little button up top, tap that. It's an export button, so we're going to go ahead and export that. So click export to album, high quality obviously. Wait till it exports. Then once it's done exporting, what you need to do is go to movies. It's going to save it. Then click add again, so you can add another project. Now this one's going to be called editing template, so we're going to call it that, editing temp. Create, done. Then what you guys want to do is go ahead and click add, click video. Now that you guys transformed it into a video, it is a video, so go to your videos, click add, click choose. Then you guys can see there's your video, so that's one video, that's one down. What you guys have to do next is go to Safari again. Then look up iPhone PNG. Basically what a PNG file is, it means it has no background, so you guys can add it over stuff. So it's going to be on top of your overlay. So what you guys want to do is go to images, click a nice iPhone that you have, or the one you want, tap it. Then you guys can see this is a PNG image. The way you know it's a PNG image is if it has a checkerboard around it. So you guys see that? That is a PNG image. So what you guys want to do is to hold it down, click save image. Then once you click save image, go back to your QCut Pro application, click add photo, click the photo, then click the little PNG, and you guys can see there's your iPhone. Let's extend it over real quick, extend it over to that 20-second mark, the one we had before. This is going to be depending based off of your recording, so just be wary of that. Click OK, then click add again. Oh, sorry, double tap again. and then what you guys want to do is stretch it out so that it looks nice, because as of right now it doesn't really look that nice. So stretch it, move it around just a little bit, make it look centered, something like that. If you guys want to make it bigger, smaller, you know, just edit it like that. QCut Pro is very intuitive. Click OK, and that's basically it for that. Now for the second part, which is going to be to add your screen recording. So what you have to do is click movies again, that way it saves it. Go to movies, so it's saving your editing template. Then what you guys want to do is get your screen recording. Now all you have to do to screen record is tap that little button. Now say you don't have that little button, all you have to do is go to settings, go to control center, then click on customize controls. Then you guys will see you guys need to add your screen recording. So screen recording should be down there. All you have to do is click that add button and it should add it. And that's basically it for the screen recording. Now that you guys have your screen recording for your iOS tutorial, go back into it. So go ahead and add your screen recording. So click add, go to photo, recently, the top one, choose, and now you guys can see your screen recording is there. But we're not done. Double tap your screen recording, fit it inside the iPhone. So this will take some time because it does take a long time to put it inside, but trust me, this is worth it if you guys want quality versus quantity. Okay, let's click OK, see how that looks. You have to keep clicking OK and exiting just to go back into it, just so you know, because if you double tap it, you guys can see how it looks. It's a little off, so we want to fix that. So double tap again, let's put it down a little more, and let's put it to the side just a little more. Okay, click OK. And for now, it's pretty good. There's a little black line, but you guys can also fix that if you wanted to. Now, you guys see how like this, your overlay is really long? Well, you're going to have a video that's over the actual recording. So there's the recording and there's the background. So what you guys need to do is cut it down. So tap the wrong one, tap it, then cut it down to where the screen recording is, just like that. Click OK. Do the same thing for your other overlay. And push it all the way back, just over there. And that's basically it for that, guys. You guys can see I click play and there's my iOS tutorial. You guys can add music, add more cool stuff, even add some stickers, something cool on the sides just to make it really nice. That's basically it for this tutorial, guys. In order for you to export it, click export to album, high quality, and that's it. If you guys do have issues such as could not enter or could not find video encoder or something like that, all you have to do before starting this tutorial is go in plus, create project, click OK, and then add your screen recording. For some reason, when you add your screen recording here, then export it, then add it to your other project, it works for some reason. So that's basically it for this tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to like, subscribe for more. I will be doing more iOS tutorials from now on. Hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. See you guys in the next one. Peace.